Hey, how's it going, guys? Benny Charles, founder of the Teach Me to Fish Effects trading community. And in this video, I'm sharing with you guys a successful trade that was identified, or as I like to call them, areas of interest. So here 9 days ago, which I believe was February 27th, I shared this area of interest with the mentorship community. And so let me go ahead and click on the link here and let that pull up, and I'll let you guys watch it be played out. And so again, the little lock here shows that this is a private published trade idea. It was again for February 27th. You guys can see at 5:35 we identified this sell area of interest, or basically a 4-hour supply zone, and we simply wanted to wait for the market to get to that area and wait for the reaction and wait for confirmation and then get into the trade. This was a beautifully played out trade because it went in, and if we actually traded set and forget, it did not hit the stop loss, and it did capture the take profit beautifully. Now, I teach and I always preach to you guys to wait for confirmation. So I don't always, again, play or trade set and forgets, but I like to wait for confirmation, because if we do lose, we lose a lot less than what is presented here. All right, so this was we were risking, as it was identified here, you're risking 10 pips to gain 41. The trade went much lower, but you can still be very profitable at aiming for a 4-to-1 risk to reward, or I like to call it a 4x profit. So, all right, that played out. We simply, again, we identified this area of supply. It came down, took a lot of patience, but we go through tons of, I'll show you guys, we go through tons of charts every week, so there's literally always a setup, especially with supply and demand. I know some people say that there's not always a setup, but there's literally always a setup that you're waiting to happen, to take place. And so when I say there's always a setup, you go down to a lower time frame, trading supply and demand. You go up to a higher time frame, trading supply and demand. Consolidation, trending chart markets, it doesn't matter. There is going to be a setup, I promise you. All right, so, but again, I like to trade off of the 4-hour. It does cause us to have to be a little bit more patient, but in the end, guys, it plays out. And again, I may call out 22 different areas of interest, but that does not mean that we're taking 22 different trades. First thing, we have to wait for the market to get to that area. Secondly, we wait for confirmation before we even enter into the trade, period. So you have to do that in order to make sure that you're practicing proper account risk management, and it will cause you to be a profitable trader. But anyway, again, so area of supply, we had to wait for the market to come in. We waited for confirmation, and bam, it played out. And again, this one was beautifully played out, because if you did want to do a set and forget, even at the 50% or the proximal line of the zone, then it would have played out for you. So, all right, guys, if you are interested in being a part of the mentorship community, again, I called this out 9 days ago. I'm kind of behind on sharing the trades that actually triggered us in through our confirmation and played out. But nonetheless, I wanted to share this with the public. But again, this is for members only. And again, if you want to be a part of the mentorship community, just head over to the channel, click that join button, and sign up for whichever level you like. All right, guys, as always, please remember, if you stay in God, you will stay in control. And until next time, happy pip fishing, and always, always, always wait for confirmation. Thank you. Bye-bye.